Periodic maintenance on your keycaps and keyboard can help to reduce keycap shine, as well as ensure the longevity of your Corsair gaming keyboard. Before we begin, snap a quick picture of your keyboard using your cell phone to have a quick reference of where the keycap should go when you reinstall them. Now remove your keycaps. Put your keycaps in a tub of warm, soapy water, making sure that they're completely submerged. Let them soak for 30 to 60 minutes. Gently scrub any keycaps that might have some grime built up. While your keycaps are soaking, take this opportunity to also clean out your keyboard. Blow out dust with some light compressed air and gently remove any grime that's built up with a damp cloth. Avoid letting liquids get into your keyboard where it can make contact with the PCB. Now rinse your keycaps and towel dry them. Set them aside to completely air dry overnight. Once your keycaps have dried out, reinstall them onto your keyboard and enjoy that clean feeling. For more information about Corsair gaming keyboards or accessories like our PBT Double Shot Pro keycap kits, check us out at Corsair.com.